A warning to all retail suppliers. The do-it-yourself SaaS approach is costing you time and money. SaaS is a band-aid approach with severe limitations and a long learning curve by trial and error. They may try to tell you that one size fits all, but we all know SaaS doesn't. SaaS costs you much more in the long run, in time and in effort, not to mention all the extra headaches it will give you and all the lost revenue you will leave behind. SaaS barely scratches the surface when it comes to deeper invalid deductions. Software simply can't find those, and you lose out on a significant number of deductions forever. No, instead of do it yourself, you need a full service solution. And the truth is, HRG is the only one in the industry providing full ongoing support from a team of experienced experts. HRG walks with you every step of the way, sharing valuable insights and best practices that will save you time and money, not only now, but for years and years to come. What kind of ROI could we bring to you? Results may vary, but many of our clients receive a return of 8 times more than what they would pay HRG. And they also receive lots of time to focus on what they do best, not to mention relief from some major headaches they used to have. You want to know more? Contact us for a free customized assessment, and we'll show you what HRG can do for you. While others sell you some software and then tell you to go and try to do it all yourself, we do it all for you in ways that only our experts can. HRG, wiser decisions, fewer deductions.